While you had a footprints. Them says Zion for me say check your soul. Every little scarp on the hill that a road. Dust on your clocks that a parable told. Every bun up bridge still a keep your soul warm. Yeah, Granny say youth mind how you trod. Some part pretty but them sink like sod. Some man chase things and them heart get robbed. Some quietly walk and them talk with God. Zion have footprints right here so each step a sermon, go and take your road. No wait on chariot, you can't stay low. Pick up your foot, make your spirit grow. Zion have footprints, watch how you walk. Enough man preach, but are your life talk. From lane to lane, from scheme to rock. Every little shuffle a holy track. Enough of them a laugh when you start from dirt. Same dirt, cradle up your blessing first. Concrete city, but the roots beneath. Lion heart beating in a humble street. System pressed on while your head go deep. But pressure make diamond, no make you sleep. Take your little pain, turn it into song. Sing it to the sky till your soul feel calm. Zion have footprints right here, so each step a sermon, go and take your road. No weapon chariot, you can't stay low. Pick up your foot, make your spirit grow. Zion have footprints, watch how you walk. No man preach, but are your lifetime. From lane to lane, from scheme to rock. Every little shuffle a holy track. Who said the gate the only pan mountain top? Mrs. Zion glimpse pan the busway stop. In a market nice in a zinc fence yard. Love still a bloom against the rust and guard. Every try again when you mash up plan. Every whole a meds with your one true friend. Every little prayer where your mama chats off. Then the footprint carry your spirit up. Zion have footprints right here, so each step a sermon, go and take your road. No wait on chariot, you can't stay low. Pick up your foot, make your spirit grow. Zion have footprints, watch how you walk. No man preach, but are your life talk. From lane to lane, from scheme to rock. Every little shuffle a holy track. Yeah, man. Them says I am farm, me say check your soul. Every little scarp on the hill that a road. Dust on your clocks that a parable told. Every bun up bridge, still I keep your soul warm, yeah. Granny say youth, mind how you try. Some part pretty but them sink like sod. Some man chase things and them heart get robbed. Some quietly walk and them talk with God. Zion have footprints right here, so each step a sermon, go and take your row. No wait pan chariot, you can't stay low. Pick up your foot, make your spirit grow. Zion have footprints, watch how you walk. Enough man preach, but are your life talk. From lane to lane, from scheme to rock. Every little shuffle a holy track. No for them a laugh when you start from dirt. Same dirt, cradle up your blessing first. Concrete city, but the roots beneath. Lion heart beating in a humble street. System pressed down, why your head go deep. But pressure make diamond, no make you sleep. Take your little pain, turn it into psalm. Sing it to the sky till your soul feels Zion have footprints right here, so each step a sermon, go and take your row. No wait, one chariot, you can't Only on mountain top, this is Zion glimpse on the bus we stop. In a market noise, in a zinc fence yard. Love still a bloom against the rust and guard. Every try again when you mash up plan. Every hold I met with your one true friend. Every little prayer where your mama chat soft. Them the footprint carry your spirit up. Zion have footprints right here so. Each step a sermon, go and take your row. Now wait pan chariot, you can't stay low. Pick up your foot, make your spirit grow. Zion have footprints, watch how you walk. Enough man preach, but are you life talk? From lane to lane, from scheme to rock. Every little shuffle a holy track, yeah man. Get you shout at somebody! Zion got footprints. Long time them they are. Soon come a brother. Soon come my sister. Yeah, yeah. Family could road me here. Them tell me say it far. But me see little Zion in a shop front. Taxi car in a granny soft prior. In a Rasta old scar. Every struggle where you walk through are the same road to the start. Zion got footprints. Dip on the ground. Every tears where you drop that a holy sound. Walk with your bed but you can't walk back. Forward ever brethren stay on track. Zion got footprints, feel it in your soul. Dust on your heel, but you still got gold. From the gully to the hilltop, same little rock. Keep trot, till the chain them pop. Hey! System cause we fool, but our wisdom we high. Them have the drip on paper, we have journey inside. Missy pastor where I do, rude boy where I pray. All of we are half finished story, till we find what we're. Hey, Zion got footprints, they on the ground, every tears where you drop, that a holy sound. Walk with your pain, but you can't walk back. Forward ever, stay on track. Zion got footprints, feel it in your soul. Don't span your heel, but you still got gold. From the gully to the hilltop, same little rock. Keep trot, till the chain them pop. Now watch man shot. Watch where him spirit sleep. Enough king in a big bed, still can't get no deep. Zion had the mindset before it had the place. When you know yourself, and this is like sunlight on your face. Oh, Zion got footprints. Get on the ground, every tears where you drop, that a holy sound. Walk with your pain, but you can't walk back. Forward ever, brethren, stay on track. Zion got footprints, feel it in your soul. Dust on your heel, but you still got gold. From the gully to the hilltop, same little rock. Keep trot, till the chain them pop. Listen when it call. Small man, big man, same road we all. footprints. Long time them there, soon come. My brother, soon come. My sister, yeah. From little youth, me hear them tell me say it far. But me see little Zion in a shop front taxi car. In a granny soft prayer, in a Rasta old scar. Every struggle where you walk through on the same road to the star. Zion got footprints, step on the ground. Every tears where you drop, that a will the sound. Walk with your pain, but you can't walk back. Forward ever brethren, stay on track. Zion got footprints, feel it in your soul. Dust on your heel, but you still got gold. From the gully to the hilltop, same little rock. Keep chat till the chain them pop. Yeah. System cause we fool, but our wisdom we are hide. Them have the grip on paper, we have journey inside. Missy pastor where you doubt, rude boy where you pray. All of we are all finished story till we find we way. Zion got footprints, step on the ground. Every tears where you drop, that a holy sound. Walk with your pain, but you can't walk back. Forward ever brethren, stay on track. Zion got footprints, feel it in your soul. Dust on your heel, but you still got gold. From the gully to the hilltop, same little rock. Keep chat till the chain them pop. No watchman mansion, watch where him spirit sleep. No king in a big bed, still can't get no deep. Zion a the mindset, before it's a the place. When you know yourself honest, is like sunlight on your face. Whoa, Zion got footprints, step on the ground. Every tears where you drop, that's a holy soul. Walk with your pain, but you can't walk back. Forward ever brethren, stay on track. Zion got footprints, feel it in your soul. Dust on your heel, but you still got gold. From the gully to the hilltop, same little rock. Keep chat till the chain them pop. Footprints, listen when it call. Small man, big man, same road for y'all.
Deciman body say, Deciman today say, is there anything about some people coming on here? Is there anything about some people coming on here?
And man, them know the way. Them say Zion is a state of mind. Not just a place where rivers play, but a feeling deep inside your soul you find. Chant it loud, chant it clear. No room for doubt, no room for fear. Zion has footprints, yeah man, footprints on the rock of ages. Footprints in the sand of time, guiding us with rhythm and rhyme. Footprints, yeah man, footprints on the rock of ages. Footprints in the sand of time, guiding us with rhythm and rhyme. Babylon try to hold us down with them wicked ways and them false pretense. But we rise up strong from every town, guided by the light of true common sense.
Open your eyes, see the truth. Open your heart, feel the beat. From childhood youth to elderly roots, Zion spirit can be beat. Footprints, yeah man, footprints on the rock of ages. Footprints in the sand of time, guiding us with rhythm and rhyme. Footprints, yeah man, footprints on the rock of ages. Footprints in the sand of time, guiding us with rhythm and rhyme.
Try if you hold us down with them wicked ways and them false pretense, but we rise up strong from every town, guided by the light of true common sense. Open your eyes, see the truth. Open your heart, feel the beat. From childhood youth to elderly roots, Zion spirit can be beat. Zion has footprints, yeah man, footprints on the rock of ages. Footprints in the sand of time, guiding us with rhythm and rhyme. Footprints on the rock of ages.
One man singing tonight here. Origin Shen. Origin Shen! You know I heard this song tonight sing. You know I heard this song every day tonight. Like it! You know I heard this song. Like it! Yeah! Yes! Hey, yeah! Hey!
Barefoot on the red dirt. Sun hot but my soul cool. Grandma say mind where you step you. Road tricky but the law rule. Put mark in a dust like scripture. Sign them but you have to read. Now watch gold chain and fix that. Check art, check that, check deed. Zion of footprints. Seeing walk where the ancestor walk. Me king, no straight on the shiny thing. Keep track, keep track, keep track within. Zion of footprints. Star-rich little scar show who you are. From gully to the brightest star. Keep track, keep track. Zion of far. Oh, Zion of far. Oh, holy man love shortcut. Them want elevator, skip steer. But shoot they had the little hard work. Sweat mix with your silent prayer. System love if you stay sleeping. Scroll, scroll and forget self. But a book and a bingy drumming build more than any blood clot world. Zion of footprints. Seeing walk where the ancestor walk. Me queen, no bend for the dirty ring. Clean mind, clean word, clean dream. Zion of footprints. Star deep in your spirit jar. Every stumble still count as far. Keep trod, keep trod. Zion of far. Yeah. Zion of far. Yeah. Someday you have to left crowd youth. Take one lane when nobody choose. When silence louder than gunshot and your heart start talk the news. Remember said the mountain listen. When you reason with your pain, every tear draw fresh inscription. Man the Zion on your plane. Whoa, Zion of footprint. Seeing follow the little still voice we sing. No trade your soul for one ring. Stand firm, my king. Zion of footprint. Star etching on your daily war. Right here so is the only path. Keep trod, keep trod. Zion of far. Zion of far. Zion of far. Zion of far. Zion of far.
Barefoot pon the red dirt, sun hot, but me soul cool. Grandma say mind where you step, you a tricky, but the law rule. Footmark in a dust like scripture, sign them but you have to read. No watch gold chain and a fixed star. Check art, check part, check deed. Zion of footprints, seen walk where the ancestor walk. Me king, no stray up on the shiny thing. Keep trod, keep trod, keep trod within. Zion of footprints, star each little scar show who you are. From gully to the brightest star. Keep trod, Zion of far. Oh, 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 oh. Whole heap of man love shortcut. Them want elevator, skip steer, but truth they are the little hard work. Sweat mixed with your silent prayer. System love if you stay sleeping. Scroll, scroll and forget self. But a book and a bingy drumming build more than any blood clot world. Zion of footprints, seen walk where the ancestor walk. Me queen, no bend for the dirty green. Clean mind, clean word, clean dream. Zion of footprints, star deep in your spirit jar.
fi left road youth. Take one lane when nobody choose. When silence louder than gunshot and your heart start talk the news. Member say the mountain listen when you reason with your pain. Every tear draw fresh inscription on the Zion higher plane. Where Zion have footprints seen. Follow the little still voice we sing. No trade your soul for one ring. Stand firm, my king. Zion have footprints, star etching on your daily war. Right there, so is the holy part. Keep John, keep John, keep John. Zion now far. Keep John, keep John, keep John. Zion now far.
The ancient Rastaman them say Zion is a state of mind, not just a place, you know. It's where your spirit finds its way. Through every tribulation, every sun and every rain. Zion footprints them indelible. Every step a story told. From creation to the future born. Zion footprints them indelible. Roots deep and strong, where we all belong. Man a search for truth and light in a this concrete jungle fight. Babylon a try to dim the star, but your light shine from afar. Open your third eye, see the way. Live righteous every single day. Zion footprints them indelible. Every step a story told. From creation to the future born. Zion footprints them indelible. Roots deep and strong, where we all belong. Walk with wisdom, walk with grace. Leave your mark in every space. Love and unity fi guide your strive. Let your inner fire burn bright inside. Zion footprints them indelible. From creation to the future born. Zion footprints them indelible. Roots deep and strong, where we all belong.
The ancient Rastaman them say Zion is a state of mind, not just a place, you know. It's where your spirit finds its way. Through every tribulation, every song and
future boy. Zion footprints, them indelible. Roots deep and strong, where we all belong. Man a search for truth and light in a this concrete jungle fight. Babylon a try to dim the star, but Jah light shine from afar. Open your third eye, see the way. Live righteous every single day. Zion footprints, them indelible. Every step a story told, from creation to the future born. Zion footprints, them indelible. Roots deep and strong, where we all belong. Walk with wisdom, walk with grace. Leave your mark in every space. Love and unity fi guide your stride. Let your inner fire burn bright inside. Zion footprints, them indelible. Every step a story told, from creation to the future born. Zion footprints,